Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, open up the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now let's go ahead and launch the app. While opening the Opera for the first time, we need to undergo a very simple and short setup procedure. So in here, simply choose whether some of the options the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip and leave the configuration process of those features for later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, you'll have this page that allows you to either customize the permissions and accesses and overall experience with Opera, or allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.